Hi, this is Angie from Brown Haired Bliss, and today's style is crisscross braids into a braided bun. This is a great way to spice up a bun, so let's get started. First, make a part down the middle, and then at the crown of that part, make a part to the ear. Now you want to clip that remaining hair out of the way and comb that hair and put it in an elastic. And now we're going to do the same thing on the right side. So just at the same point, go down to the ear and then brush that hair and put it in an elastic as well. And then with the remaining hair, we're going to comb that, or you can brush it into another ponytail. Now this time I use a bigger elastic. I use one of those stronger elastics and then just secure it into a ponytail. Now with that main ponytail, that's where we're going to start. You're going to do a 3-strand braid. I usually like to wet it down a little bit just to keep the flyaways down. Now you're going to start doing a 3-strand braid, and as you go down, you're going to pull on each loop on each side of the braid, just to make it a little fuller. This is called pancaking the braid, and this just makes the braid a little bigger than if it were to be really tight. And this will make the bun look a lot more full. So do this all the way to the end and secure it with a small elastic. And now we're going to create the bun. So take the braid, and I go upward on the left. So I flip it over the top, and then I secure it with a bobby pin right there in that corner. And this just helps it to form the bun. Now you just want to keep on wrapping it around, and I like to pin it as I go. So just keep wrapping it around, and when you get to the end, just tuck those ends in and secure it with a bobby pin. Now go to that top left braid, and you're going to do another 3-strand braid. This time I did not pancake the braids. You could if you wanted to. I just decided to keep them more tight. Secure the end of that braid and then go to the ponytail on the right side and do the same thing. Just do a 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom and secure it with a small elastic as well. Now we're going to create the crisscross effect. So starting with the left braid, go over the bun on the right side and then just bobby pin that top piece in place. And then just wrap it around, and I just kind of curled that loop on the end pieces and tucked it underneath the bun and added a bobby pin. But it's not going to really matter because you're not going to see it, because right now we're going to take that right braid, go over on the left side, which kind of covers up the end of the other braid, bobby pin it in place, and now we're going to flip it upwards, and I like to go under that braid and grab it and pull it through, and it's just an easy way to hide those strands. And then you can just go around and add bobby pins where you see fit. Sometimes there's loose pieces. You just want to make sure that everything is secure. And then you are all done. This style only took me about 10 minutes to do, so it doesn't take too long, and it's so cute and a great way to spice up a regular bun. I hope you guys enjoy recreating it on your own. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming videos. You can also click above if you would like to see some of our past tutorials. We have a lot to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!